Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edo Tafia Amibo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Hello my people, now well done. Now welcome to Edo Tafia Amibo YouTube channel. The place where we say the Ogbonge news, the real news that we see here and everything, And first and foremost, I want to know, I hope everything they okay with you now. The family, the people, everyone, the children, the papa and mama, relatives and everyone. I hope everything they okay, And if there's anything we be saying anybody they struggle with, I pray with time God go heal the person from that one. And if anything we be say the person need to anything at all person need, may God provide them for the person. Amen. So welcome back again to Edo Tafia Amibo YouTube channel, the place that brings the news and then the real news and the news as it is, So my people now, and the video for today now about this our sister is Zee Ogbedi, she don't come back again, because she was not so happy like when we see people they tell and say make she not talk about take care again, when we see people they protest for SARS and everything, like which I first talk, she said for one of my video I do about her, she said make the women where they told that kind of may they leave their husband and may they divorce their husband, may she and them may they gotta just go empty handed with her, say they don't get mad, they get take care and everything, may they go to protest. Or the men will say me where they tell and say make she not talk about take care again anything at all. Me she say may they leave their wife, may they divorce their wife, may every one of them may they stand up, may they go they fight for whatever they want to fight for, She say even the women where they talk so say about her, some women inside of because she really praise single women where she praise single women, she give her colleagues you understand me? She give her to single women like we say, and you support them. You get me? She say she herself a single woman, and at the same time she be single woman by choice. Meaning say that she no want man. She say even the women say their husband, we say where they talk say they get for her, their husband say their husband even want her. That is, their husband want her, she will be easy by the, you understand what I mean? Say, in fact, their husband want me, they want wife her. Not say they just want her. They want wife her, that is, they want me she is able to be their wife. That's something I don't know as for me. I don't know as married women want to take that something because if you like seeing a slap for their face, you get it. So you may say their whole husband will put it for house, they like you or they'll love you past them if you really give the chance to their husband, So now be waiting there, but as she they talk, she most of the time she joke about everything and I make people just so love her and everything. I mean she not just say one line where say she don't laugh over and so she not take anything serious and anything at all say she talk maybe people not take her serious in a way like say maybe she want insult them or she want disguagua or she want make saga. No. She's none of that, you know what I mean? She's none of that at all. You get me? So now be waiting there and then in fact she just interesting to watch and everything. So I just feel like say wow, then make I bring her to my audience, to my followers, to my subscribers. Say wow, I find the clip, very very funny and very hilarious and at the same time meaningful. You understand what I mean? But don't say I support the idea of saying maybe somebody they kind of patronize or the harbor single mothers or being a single mother. No. There's not like when a woman get her husband, no matter how you twist and turn that. No matter you elaborate and rich, no matter you twist and turn and rich, no matter how you want to be comfortable as a single mother, apart from say being the way the society go respect you and everything, no, the comfortability of a married woman, single mother not forget and never. You understand what I mean? So, but it's still, they're not come here to come judge, but they are not still come here to come enhance or to come harbor or to come support or to deliberate on to just say single mother, but not the same level of the same level I deal with being a married person. I'm being a married woman. No. I not can't talk that one. Still, I not can't in any way, shape, or form can't condemn a single mother. If single mother in a situation where say put you there, may God bless you. Maybe one day you go out of that being a single mother, you get married at least or at the very least you get man who say I go take off you and your child, and then eventually I go get married. You get me? And I be one of the, and in fact, being married now one of the, if not the very best dream we say woman supposed the dream or now be every woman's dream as a child, even as they don't grow up rich, and just situation where we say most of us can't find ourselves in life, if it be people where they live in diaspora, if it be people at home, if it be whatever, but the struggles of life, where we see life they later bring or we they come later realize it, and so life be, and they prevent some people, we say they not feel come get married, or they know husband now come date or come remain single mother, or mistake where they do as a youth. You know what I mean? When growing up, maybe they can't carry, take in when they did school and everything, So the reality might be that one. When you can't take in, you can't be single mother. I mean, not every man will be they come to you go. Really, they come. You understand? Everybody know that one. No matter you just and rich. I mean, there must be. There can be one in a million. Where we say, okay, come like say the woman still get luck after say she don't born. But wait till we both they do something. Wait till they do something. Wait till everybody in life till they do something. Will they do something average? You understand what I mean? When we say average, you calculate the people we say be single mother, we constantly eventually get married, successful and everything like say she never born before, and person we say and person we say don't still born, we say constantly see better and responsible man. I calculate them together. That one could be like one in 100. Maybe it go even pass one in 100. You understand what I try to talk? Person we don't first born, or amongst the people we don't first born, we say when they as a youth as they grow up, maybe for secondary school or whatever, they can't take in. You know what I mean? So you group all of them together. You say okay, maybe they be 500. You point how many ones constantly they successfully get married in life again. You understand what I mean? So you see, say maybe out of 500, it go be 1 or 2 or 3. So which is like really, really poor. When you calculate on percentagely, you understand what I mean? In percentage when you calculate on. So now be waiting there. So when somebody will say, okay, for example, and say, when somebody never born, people they born at the age of 60. I don't say this thing has nothing to do with nothing to do with this topic we talk about today, right? But I just want, because there may not be another video website for give this give this knowledge. You understand me? So may I use this medium give this knowledge. When people say okay, people they women they born at the age of 60, at the age of 65 and everything, they'll say no worry. But that one are true. But not the Mona not give advice to young women or women they can say never too struggle women they born at 60. If they give if that woman not think well, if they give her that kind of advice, she'll say maybe in reality, and which is sometimes not reality. But how many percentage they give birth at 60 or 55? Now that when you talk, one give birth at 55, she made news, for example. But how many people out of 100, out of 1,000 people, it could be one. So the possibility or the probability of say woman will get this 65, they tell them say me she wait, maybe woman did 30 now, 31. He said me they tell us okay, time not reach, maybe if they look for man, me settle down. I say no problem, they do what they do. Not be woman they give birth at not be woman they give birth at 65, or not be woman they born at 65. And you not see that woman we see for magazine that day, or we see for TV, or we hear on Facebook or whatever, or on social media, we born, that one can say yes. But you're not given the probability. Probability might be how many of them they give birth for that age range. Maybe women will be 50 now or 55, and the men maybe they be 1,000. How many of them they give birth at 55? Now that will be the percentage where you pick out. Maybe out of them, maybe all of them now 1,000. Women we don't reach 50, 55, right? Then how many of them they give birth like that? Maybe it go be 1 or 2 out of them. So 1 or 2 if, over 1,000 people, or maybe out of 3 out of 1,000 people, over 1,000 people as they take the calculate. You know, say now about 0.0003, which is not even reach. I don't know. You could be like say you tier 1 1% to 3 places. Now that will be the probability. Now that will be the chance of woman where they that age range. I just give my illustration. I'm not saying that's way be. So I know say intelligent people go understand me. And in fact, every person go understand what I explain. So now be waiting today. I know say that one where I just talk. So it has nothing to do with this topic where you talk. But that's why they talk. Say for all of my videos where they talk, as I did talk, I not plan and I know the right hand down. As something they come, that's why I just say the young. So when words of wisdom come or any illustration or any knowledge we someone give out, I just use that medium to give them out. Now be waiting today. Now I say they talk say we were there as at Dota Fiame YouTube channel. No, we're not just there to come. Only do commentary or to come analyze or to come produce and present the videos to now or to just come here. We still they give knowledge to. So my people anyway, I thank you so much, and may God continue to bless all of you. So what did they say? Mo just join our sister Izzy Ogbedi now. She wants her to talk to the people. Okay, now do well. Now bye bye.
I'm saying it because you don't have a husband. Hey. Go watch my video I put for YouTube. Every single mother way there here. Mwah. You are the best. You run things for your pikin. You take care of your children. A school run, you put them first. You love them. You appreciate them. You tell them how beautiful they are. Who am I? The men will go born pikin leave them. Why you see answer? Once woman come, woman talk. Una want attack the woman. Una want attack her. Why would they talk about Ekia? You know some people will be say once they see woman, their life go change. Some people did. For me, I'm single by choice. They all who know. Your husband want to marry me. He wish I'm his wife. But I'm single by choice. I like doing shopping around. Decision men are here now. Some men they will be say, I bet just match me with so woman. And I'll be happy for the rest of my life. I have a good job, I have passport, I have this, I have that. I just need a good woman. Same to women. Say I just need good man. Me yagbane me tag moment. Manirewebo but that's it. Una know what would they go through mentally, physically, and spiritually safe. Huh? What's the matter? What's the matter? They may not take my dekunwa. It's a woman. And it's a woman. No sooner than thank you all so much. You guys are amazing. You know what? We'll let this subside. Okay, please don't forget. Go and sign. Go to your local website. Go and sign the petition. I was go and sign on Saturday. My wasamekia. Okay. I'll keep it in my once a week. Saturday we come, we talk about Ekia, we educate ourselves, I show in a position, we just enjoy ourselves. Things they happen. You know, one of my friends went from Guinea yesterday. I tell her and say, please sign the petition. Or when you sign the petition, Rokba. He said for Guinea, Nigerians are standing for themselves. Good. For Guinea, their president has been killing people for more than 10 years. They just killed one lady yesterday. They keep people saying, no, what beg of a social media. Masheo, any yemekai, Masheo. You know people when they kill since. We are all bleeding, yes. Be true to yourself. Don't come social media and fake it. The way you will live video, so, and make get family member we go missing. Am I me? I we awe. Imiamiane. Awe ni owe. A police bear ya move for you where. No what beg any video a live video. Or it to see your corner. You may not laugh like why man you bulo? Instead of you people to say yes, they are shining light to it. And do what you have to do. Go to your government website and send the petition. Why do I matter? When I back my washing, when I wash, yeah, said to Ekia, what someone obviously say, by the way, of you saying anything, okay? I won't. Yeah, said though, your home is a Japanese by one domain as a Japanese. This is Japanese. Or say, we yet do one amorion. As I'm saying, I was sure there. Oh, what do I ladian? All of you now they fear, though they feel frightened. Oh, I'm what? Imagine can me ya sanola. Ima same kare de Saturday. Ma son. Ma same chiare io guero levani e io guero con i vene ne do bene un levani la I ma same che no con wawu I ma samo e this Saturday ma same chia do what you have to do. Go and sign, go to your government website and sign the petition. I keep saying it because when I have more dion, you are worried about to make it, when make your time, I will over Nigeria. When you have one, or say not, I'm not taking it. I'm not taking.
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, you don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.